On Saturday, May 24th, officers were patrolling the area near the Orange County Convention Center in Orlando when they noticed the car in front of them had an expired temporary tag on it. So they'd pull the car over and get out to see what was up.
Hey, how are you? I'm Deputy King's Orange County Sheriff's Office.
Yeah, what did I
do you have your license plate expired? Is there a reason why you have that expired?
Oh, hold on. I just got a new car.
The officer would signal with a finger to her nose that she smelled a funky odor coming from the car.
Can I give you a picture of it?
You don't have it with you?
No, I do. Oh. It's just, it's literally, my car's dirty and shit. I don't know where it's at.
Due to the smell, the officer started to peek around. It's not clear if she saw it at this moment, but a 9mm round of ammo was lying near the driver's feet.
And I have a license plate that are you okay?
Yeah. No, I'm just saying the license plate expired in April.
It's for a license plate. Y'all shouldn't be all in the car like that.
But when you're reaching around, I gotta see where you're.
Well, you can see where I'm reaching, and he can see too. Y'all, I'll roll all my windows down. We're not playing that fucking cop there. You pulled me over for an expired license. I have a brand new car, and I have a new license that I can show you. So, is there anything else you need?
Yeah, we're gonna need you to step out the car.
10-4. Do you have the registration that goes with it?
Yes, I have everything.
And can you lower the windows for me? All the windows? Yeah. All the windows. I'm asking you to lower all the windows.
Oh, that's all you get. You need my
That's all I get? All right. Oh, yep. No, you can step out.
What?
Step out there.
I'm
all right.
I'm not moving. If you touch me, I promise you.
All right, sit out of the car.
What are you step out of the car for? You can unlock.
You're not giving me any information.
Registration. Your body cam on? Is your body cam on?
Of
Turn
course.
your body cam on now.
They're on.
Supervisor on here. Call the
They're
supervisor.
on.
Call the
What's
supervisor.
the issue?
Because she just tried to remove me from the vehicle because I said I didn't want to run my windows down. I gave her the registration.
If I can't see in the car.
Wait, I do not have to step in the car.
driver's license?
Yes, I'm trying to. I'm trying to find it. What you trying to touch me for?
All right, I'm telling you, step out of the car.
Step out for? That's not lawful at all. I don't have
Listen,
to step
first
out.
of all, if she asks you to step out, you can step out.
Okay.
Because she's asking you to. Because you're currently being
Can you get your
detained.
supervisor?
Honestly, though, I like how the passengers is she's recording, right? She's whatever. She's not even getting the right angles. We can see in the camera, but she is being quiet. You know, a lot of times, a lot of passengers, they're gonna try to butt in and no, she playing her role, man.
Can you get your supervisor?
Do you understand what detained means?
No, I'm not detained for no lawful shit.
Okay.
Get a supervisor. I'm trying to find my ID. Nobody
Can we
took me
take off our tape and let the supervisor put you on?
for no reason. That's crazy.
Let's get your driver's license out.
I'm trying to find it. Vehicle registration.
Can we have a supervisor 51, please?
Did you even see if this car was registered?
Right now, it's got a tag on that
That's what
expires
I'm saying.
April.
I just gave you the registration, so go check it to make sure I'm not like illegal like you think I am. You trying to pull me out of the
Well, you have a tag that's on your vehicle that's expired.
I have this is a brand new car, and I have a new license plate in the trunk that I can show you.
Okay, but why isn't it attached?
Because it's a tip tag that I had for a
But if you have a license plate that's assigned, okay, but if you have it in the trunk, why is it not attached?
When you get a tip tag, you can use it for as much time. I didn't know the tip ran out. It expired, so that means it just expired.
All right, and are there any weapons in this car?
Yes.
Okay, where? Because
Alright.
don't reach for anything because I'm seeing that ammo on the floor. That's why I'm asking. Don't reach for anything, but are you?
Bro, oh my goodness. Call the supervisor.
Where's the weapon at?
It's in my freaking bag. It's closed.
Okay.
Whoa! Don't reach now. Don't reach, man. Might have to send you up through there, man.
Okay, just leave it there.
What am I getting pulled over for? Oh.
Because your tag is expired.
Okay, if my tag doesn't have the proper, can I show you my new tag?
That's fine, but the fact doesn't change that it's not attached to the vehicle.
I understand that, but if you still have it, that's proof that I have a tag. That's fine.
But it's still not attached to the vehicle.
For those curious, the specific Florida law that requires your license plate to be physically attached to the vehicle and not kept in the glove box, on the dash, or in the trunk is Florida Statute Section 316.605, subsection 1. This is a non-criminal traffic infraction. Despite this, though, the driver would continue with her argument until she reached the person she was trying to call.
I asked him to call the supervisor multiple times.
I did call the supervisor. You can watch her on my body camera.
Go ahead and call him. I'm not trying to find my shit, bro. Hold on.
The officer would go to put the 0 in the patrol car while the other officer tried to maintain control of the traffic stop.
Am I allowed to get out? You wanted me to get out in the first place.
I'm gonna step out.
I don't know, man. Can you find my location?
All right. Don't go into the trunk. Don't go. All right, just stand right here.
Hold on, look. I'm not again. You're pissing me off.
Listen.
Look.
All right, listen. You don't have to do that. You don't have. Listen, we're being respectful to you. We're asking that in return.
My shirt off.
I'm trying to tell you, you don't have to do all that. I don't know what you have on you or not on you.
Bro, she has my gun. I don't have nothing on me, clearly.
All right, you have to step away from the trunk.
You're touching me, bitch.
Okay.
Give me my phone.
Let's relax.
What is she touching me for?
All right.
Don't touch me. You don't gotta touch me.
First of all,
you don't gotta touch me. You don't gotta touch me.
in charge here. You're not.
What are y'all touching me for, though? Can I have my
Because you're not resisting.
I'm not arrested. I'm not arrested. What are y'all
Let's
touching me
relax
for?
right now.
Can you please explain what I did, please? Y'all, please stop.
I'm not listening to any of
Bro, I don't have to listen. You don't have to restrain me.
Of course you
You don't
listen.
have to stop. Like, what are you doing? Sir, are you a supervisor?
Put your hands behind your back.
For what? What am I getting arrested for?
No one said you're arrested at this time.
What are you detaining me for? You can't.
Because you're not listening to lawful orders.
So
No, you're not.
Because I'm not physically listening. I didn't touch you.
You're being detained right now because you're being incredibly uncooperative.
No, because y'all just took my gun. Y'all just took my shit.
Absolutely, because you're sitting there with the butt of the gun sitting out next to the passenger.
It was not sitting out. You
Of
lying.
course it was. All right.
Now y'all.
Everybody always want a supervisor, as if the supervisor is going to go against his officers. You are completely wasting your time. Whatever the officer wants, when the supervisor gets there, you're still going to do what the officer wants.
And my ID's right there. Y'all see
Okay,
that?
that's
So
fine.
what y'all doing?
We'll check everything
Check my
cooperative
ID. Y'all
for
said
no
that-
reason.
You said you didn't have your ID. I said I did. I couldn't find it, bitch. Check your body cam, stupid bitch. I did say I had a body cam. Now shut the f- up talking to me. Do your damn job. You can't even restrain me right. Two of y'all.
You're restraining just
Check
fine.
my ID. Shut up. Can I at least get my phone? We'll get it for you.
Just have a seat till we figure everything out.
And I don't consent to no searches, nothing that.
That's not a
It is up to me. I don't consent to shit. I don't consent to no searches. I don't consent.
You don't have to consent. Right now
Yes, I
you're
do.
detained.
I'm not detained. You didn't even detain me for nothing
You
legal.
already have a firearm.
Okay, which is legal. You didn't check to see if it was, did you? Exactly. You're finna get us some shit. You didn't even
Right.
check to see if my arm was legal.
Sit down. All right, you're detained right now, right? You're not under arrest. We have to
Okay,
do
go
further
ahead. Do what you
investigation, all
gotta
right?
do. No, sir.
That is a good point because, in Florida, everybody pretty much can have a gun. So, she is kind of right on that part. You detain me for the gun, but you ain't, I can have one, if that's the case. I don't know.
That's her.
As requested, a supervisor would arrive shortly thereafter to discuss the situation.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
All right, I'm Sergeant Littlejohn.
Yes, sir.
What's going on?
Sir, I got pulled over for an expired tag.
Okay.
The situation obviously escalated itself. I'm very upset. You're the
Okay.
supervisor?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
want to report these two officers for, first of all, they escalated the situation way more than it had to be. She pulled
Okay.
me over. She said you have a temporary tag, which I understand.
Uh-huh.
When you get a new car, that's what they give you.
Right.
I have my license plate in my trunk, which I tried to tell her. I got pulled over, so I was a little jumbled. I couldn't find my freaking license. I told
Okay.
her that as well. So I'm obviously upset, and I understand that. But sir, I didn't break no damn laws. They don't have a right to illegally detain me. I didn't do anything. I didn't run away from them. I didn't physically harm them. I didn't threaten them at all. So this is illegal, and it's hot back here. And I'm trying to tell her that. She said the air's on. It's hot as back here.
Okay.
It's hot.
I
And then it's
understand.
like, I told her everything was good in my car. They took my gun. So then after they took my gun, I got out to go get my license plate. Then they detained me. I don't know what you have in the trunk. You just took my firearm. Like, what are you talking about? My license is good. My registration is good. And I'm upset. That doesn't give them the right to detain somebody. I didn't break no damn law.
Okay.
Like, that's the problem.
All right,
You-
I'm listening to you. Okay?
No, and I understand that.
Let me just say a few things, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes,
All right,
sir.
correct me if I'm wrong. Did they give you instructions not to move around or grab a firearm or go back to the trunk?
Well, that's the thing. She didn't let me. She tried to unlawfully remove me from the vehicle, so I would have been out regardless. I got out when I wanted to get out. That was
When they found the firearm,
She
they
took it. She took
okay.
it. So I didn't
All right.
have no firearm in my car.
All right,
That was
so
done.
so they legally detained you on that.
No, I didn't. No, they didn't legally detain me. She literally, before she even legally detained me, she removed me. She tried to forcibly remove me from my vehicle, and that's on her body cam. And I want to.
Wait, but in Florida, just because you have a firearm, they could just detain you? Damn. Because that's what both of them is saying. The cop said that, and the supervisor is saying that. When they got the gun, they legally detained you. But even if even if it's legally registered to her. Because the only thing that's so far from what I'm getting that's wrong is the expired tag, the tag part. You know, that part. But the firearm, I mean,
She gave you commands to step out of the vehicle?
No, she didn't. How did she give me commands to step out of the vehicle if I didn't even get a chance to?
All right, I'm going to review
Okay,
your
can
body
I
cam
report?
regardless.
Who can I report? That's what I want to do. Who can
You're
I
reporting it to me right
Yes,
now,
yes,
okay?
sir.
Because I
wanna
am the
report
supervisor.
C. Kennison and what's her name? D.
That's-
Rising or whatever. I
okay.
want to report it. I want a physical police report. However you do
There
it.
isn't going to be a physical report.
Okay, I want to report. I want to report what just happened from them to them because it's 2 damn officers. And you know what's crazy? She got a video on body cam and I got a video on my phone.
Okay.
Like when you're an officer, I get that y'all have a job to do, but y'all be breaking laws. Y'all literally broke a law. Talking about something, you got an expired tag. So why are you fishing for more shit? If it's for an expired tag, she's in my car looking like that. Like y'all have certain jurisdictions. Roll all your windows down. I do not have to legally roll all my windows down.
While no law exists, refusing to adequately roll your windows down can be viewed as an officer safety risk, which the U.S. Supreme Court has said gives officers the right to tell a driver to step out of the vehicle, which is pretty much what this officer had done.
I'm asking you to lower all the windows. That's all I get. Oh, yep. No, you can step out.
So you broke another law there.
No.
So
When they give you lawful command, you have
there's
to
no such
comply
thing,
with
sir.
it.
You was sergeant. You know damn well there's no such thing
When
as
they
lawful
give you a
command.
lawful
There's no
command-
such thing as a lawful
Yes,
command.
there
Stop
is.
playing with me. There's
Okay.
rights. There's rights. I didn't break
Because
no rights.
it's a safety
Yes,
issue
and
when they
guess what?
see
Guess
the
what?
butter.
So we can go to court. Let's go to court. Let's go to court.
Can I
please.
talk?
No, because now you
don't want me
siding
to
with that.
talk?
Talking about some lawful
Okay.
command. I hate when
I'm
y'all do.
the sergeant was always going to side with the officers, like I told you earlier. So every time you ask for a supervisor, you're wasting your
I
time.
had to
There's
explain
no
to you
such
what's
thing as a
going on.
lawful command, sir.
You
It's
understand
right or
how
wrong.
communication
Yes,
works?
you're not- no,
Okay,
y'all
one
not
party
bullshit.
talks, the other one listens.
No.
All right, the other one talks, the other one
Am I
listens.
getting arrested? Like,
All
what
right,
do I do?
just stand by,
I'm trying to
okay?
figure out what's going on. I told them I didn't want them to search my car, and now she's searching
I'm
my
going to
car.
let you cool off. I'll be right back.
The supervisor would try to have a conversation with the driver a couple minutes later, but that didn't go very well either.
What was your question, ma'am?
I'm trying to figure out how, if I have a legal firearm, why am I getting my vehicle searched?
Because they smell weed and they can see
That's not a
evidence.
probable cause.
They can see
And I
evidence.
said, I said
Can I
didn't
explain?
want-
Can I talk?
Yes, sir, but you said you smell weed, which is not a probable cause. That's what I'm trying to tell you, so I don't
I
want you to
can't
search my
complete
vehicle.
my sentence with you every time you interrupt me.
So am I getting
If you would
arrested?
That would be the end of that.
Why is there so many police here?
Because
Over a tech tag?
no, over her attitude.
Over her attitude? Okay, well, she just started her period and maybe
Oh, come on, sweetheart. I was rooting for you now. I was rooting for you, baby girl, man. Come on, man. I was giving you praise earlier. You was just zipping it up. Now you talking about she on her cycle and all of that. Like, come on, man. Come on. Just go back to what you was doing in the beginning. Do your little filming and just stay out the way.
Because
over a tech tag?
no, over her attitude.
Over her attitude? Okay,
Yeah.
well, she just started her period and maybe if you guys gave her a minute to calm down.
Yeah,
go
that's
for
not
it.
an excuse.
No, they came at her first.
Because she wasn't being cooperative. Go back to the front of the car where I told you to stand a minute ago.
Why are you talking to me like that? Like I'm doing something wrong. Don't talk to me
Because
like that.
you've been told to stand
you don't.
still.
Okay, but you don't get to talk to me like that if I'm doing nothing wrong.
You are doing something wrong. You're not listening. Very simple instruction. Stay there.
Like the channel? Subscribing helps keep this narrator's tags always up to date.
He wants to talk to you.
Who was that?
Our father.
I don't want to talk to him.
He said he don't want to talk to you.
How old are you? Hey, how old are you?
22.
Okay, so I don't need to talk to your dad.
Okay.
A search of the car wouldn't turn up much other than a negligible amount of the stuff causing that funky smell and the valid license plate in the trunk. After that, the officers were thinking they'd tow the car, but the passenger didn't like the sound of that.
I have no phone, nothing. This is me genuinely asking you to release the car to me. I will make sure it gets taken. Her
Car's registered to her.
Huh?
But the car's registered to her and she's
Her
going to
grandma is
jail.
the owner of the car. And this is her mom. This is her mom. Huh?
Grandma's here, it's on the
So her grandma is the owner of the car.
It's not registered to her.
Oh,
on the phone with someone.
I'm on the phone with her mother. Her mother is.
He's coming to come get you. You're an adult. You can walk
I
away.
have nobody. This is her parents.
You're an adult. You can walk away then.
Walk away. I have no charger. I have nothing.
Eventually, the officers decided to release the car to the passenger.
So the bottom line is, the kindness of these deputies that you guys were given a hard time with.
I wasn't giving.
No, listen to me. Can I talk? All right?
Release the car to you.
You're part of this. All right?
Thank you.
Sure it doesn't
I'm gonna
close
put
up
the
on
tag on.
All right, the car's going to go to you. Okay?
The officer charged the woman with resisting without violence, possession of cannabis, and possession of paraphernalia. The assistant state attorney wouldn't pursue those last 2 charges, though, so she was just left with the resisting charge, to which she'd eventually plead no contest. Adjudication was withheld, and she was ordered to pay court costs and fines of $373. She wouldn't pay it by the due date, though, so the court sent a suspension notice to the DMV. Payment was then made a couple weeks later, and the suspension on her driver's license was lifted.